Everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. I order outfits from SHEIN as usual. This time, the first design style. I would like to get overalls that's cute and suit me. Then I ordered 2 of them this time. You're gonna see at the end. And I ordered crochet top. I thought about I can wear them as overall half top because I don't like when need to go to the bathroom, I need to take all out before using the bathroom. That is annoying, but I try to get some of them. Crochet top would like to wear loose, but the size I order does not loose enough for me, then I return them. And other 3 sleeveless top, I order them because I like the turtle print, but they are too long and too big. Then I return them too. Also, 2 cute overall shorts. I like them very much. Just not good when wearing see-through. Could see my underwear and also a little tight at my tummy. Then I return them as well. The last one is a cute flower crochet, colorful. I keep this one. I like it very much. I would like to have a bigger crochet top. Sometimes I keep looking if any new design come up next time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.